By for Oregon Governor Kate Brown and the Oregon Health Authority talking about the first case of coronavirus in the state of Oregon. More than 2,800 people have died in at least 56 countries. The coronavirus again continuing to wreak havoc as health officials scramble. We have team coverage tonight, but we are going to start with reporter Michael Severin, who is live in the studio with what experts at Lane County Public Health say we all need to know. Michael.
Matt, with the coronavirus being so new, Dr. Patrick Ludke with Lane County Public Health says there are a lot of unknowns, but one thing that we do know is how to stop it from spreading. Dr. Patrick Ludke with Lane County Public Health tells me a positive case of the coronavirus here could mean that person being isolated at home or even in the hospital, depending on the severity. He says public health would also do an investigation to find out who that person has been in close contact with.
To keep themselves and their loved ones safe and healthy, but also the rest of the community.
Coughing, fever, and runny nose. These are just some of the symptoms that can set in with coronavirus. But Ludke says don't be alarmed if you have the sniffles. The virus spreads through the air by people who already have it.
80% of people who get it have a very mild infection, just like the common cold. So they get a low-grade fever perhaps, and they have a sore throat and a cough, and then they get better in a few days.
It's the very young and old, along with people with respiratory issues, who are most at risk of developing life-threatening conditions like pneumonia from the disease. He says to minimize the spread, people who believe they have coronavirus shouldn't just go to a clinic to get checked out.
Call your clinic ahead of time, and your clinic nurses and doctors can decide how to do that with the least infection ramifications for the people in the waiting room.
All to stop the virus from spreading. Now, there are some things we can all do right now to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. Ludke says the virus hates soap and water, so wash your hands. And he said we should all be covering our mouths when we cough, and if we use a tissue to throw them away. Live in studio, I'm Michael Severin, KEZI 9 News.
All right.